Gmail verification code not received. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch your control center and make sure you haven't enabled any focus mode. In case you have enabled it, just disable it because this might be the reason you are not receiving verification code from Gmail. Next up, close this and launch your settings app. Now navigate to the option Messages. Once you're over here, different options will appear. Make sure you have enabled for the option of iMessage. Likewise, make sure you have enabled for the option Send as text message. If you have already enabled it, disable it, wait for a few minutes and then enable it. Likewise, scroll down. Make sure you have disabled for the option Filter unknown senders. With these customization, you'll be good to go. Now you'll be receiving verification code from the Gmail. Now I can head towards the page from where you want to send the verification code and try to resend it. This is how you can fix Gmail verification code not received. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.